dear friends. Today I am going to present the seminar on the topic of chapter 1 of our chemistry, that is matter in our surroundings. So in this chapter we will learn about matter, its state and its characteristics, and its physical state, and how and the differentiate between the evaporation and the boiling. So let's start with the definition of matter. Matter is anything that is mass and occupies space. In our surrounding, matter is basically classified into 5 types of basic elements. That is called Panchatattva. It is air, water, sky, fire and earth. In modern day, scientists have classified into 2 types, that is physical states of matter and chemical states of matter. First we will know about the property of that physical state of matter. Physical state of matter is very small in size. We can show this with an example of the potassium permanganate experiment. For performing this experiment, we need a few crystals of potassium permanganate and 100 milliliter of water in a beaker glass. We have to put some crystals of potassium permanganate in that beaker, and after some time we can see that the beaker turns, the water color turns purplish pink. It indicates that the water is completely diffused in the liquid. Then we have to take 10 milliliter of water. Then we have to transfer that into a 90 milliliter of clear glass of water. Then we have to repeat this step 5 to 6 times. We can see that in every beaker there is some color of the potassium permanganate, but it is faded a little. That indicates that the particles of matter are very small. So let's proceed to the further topic, that is the characteristics of the particles of matter. The characteristics of particles of matter are, they have interparticle spaces between them, that is the interparticular space, and they are continuously moving. That shows that they have kinetic energy. We can illustrate this with an example. Suppose we are cooking food. That aroma reaches us from the few meters. That indicates that the particles of matter possess kinetic energy. If we increase the temperature, then the kinetic energy of the matter increases. If we decrease the temperature, then the kinetic energy decreases. And the last is, they have interparticular force of attraction. Interparticular force of attraction indicates that the particles of matter have the force of attraction between matter, that is solid, liquid and gases. We can understand them through a very good comparison as well as examples. Here we have solid, liquid and gases. We can take example of solid as ice, liquid as water and gases as water vapor. Solids basically have definite shape as well as definite volume. Liquids have definite volume but not definite shape. Gases neither have definite shape nor definite volume. And in forms of compressibility, solid is not compressible as well as liquid, but gases are the most compressible. Rigidity, solid is the most rigid state of matter, liquid is less rigid and gases are not rigid. And if we talk about fluidity, then solid cannot flow, it only vibrates about its mean position, but liquid can flow and gases can flow very easily. And if we talk about the density of them, then solid has the highest lower than that of solids, and gases at the least density. Now, one question arises that can we interchange the matter states of matter? Yes, we can do that by increasing or decreasing the temperature or applying pressure. Let us understand by a flow chart. We can learn that from if we want to interchange the spaces of states of matter, then solid to liquid is freezing and liquid to solid is melting. And if we want to interchange between liquid and gases, then liquid to gases is vaporization and gases to liquid is condensation. If we want to interchange between the solid and the gases, then between the solid, if we want to convert solid into gases, then the process of sublimation, and gases to solid is deposition. So let us understand this with the clear definition. The interchange of particles of matter between solid or liquid, if we want to convert solid into liquid state, then that process is called melting or fusion, which can be done through applying heat to the particles of matter. And if we want to convert liquid state into its solid state, then we can do by lowering the temperature or applying pressure. And if we want to convert that liquid state into gaseous state, then we can do that by the process of that has two processes, that is evaporation and boiling. Now we have to learn about evaporation and boiling. Evaporation is basically a surface phenomenon which causes cooling, and it is a slow process, and it causes cooling effect. Whereas boiling is a bulk phenomenon which has to be applied the heat so that to the boiling point, so that we can convert the liquid state into gaseous state in a very rapid way. And the major difference is that evaporation causes cooling, but the boiling do not cause cooling. The next thing that we have to learn is the factors which affect the rate of evaporation. The factors are the speed of wind, appliance of temperature, surface area, and humidity. Speed of wind take away some particles of matter and make them and causes fast evaporation, whereas the appliance of temperatures indicates that the higher the temperature, the higher the rate of evaporation, whereas the surface area indicates that as much as we expand the surface area, then the rate of evaporation would be higher, and humidity indicates that if the water vapor present in the environment is more, then the rate of evaporation will be slower, and if the humidity present in the atmosphere is less, then the evaporation will be faster. Now we have to learn how does evaporation cause cooling. It does so by absorbing the particles energy from the surroundings. So we have see that. So we have already saw that our parents or our teachers advise us to wear cotton clothes during the summer. That is because cotton is a good absorbent of liquid, and it helps it to exposing it to environment to make easy evaporation. And also sometimes we have saw that droplets or the outer surface of ice cold water turns out to be particles of water. So it is because when the cold water comes in contact with the atmospheric air, then the atmospheric air loses temperature and it turns into liquid state, which results in the formation of the matter is anything that has mass and occupies space.
Environment changes itself into solid.
It changes its state when we pull it into other gaps, but it also returns back to its state. But if we pull it very hardly, then it breaks.
Gases soar faster than the diffusion
Because they have higher interparticle space.
while volume is called a bulk.
It is because it occurs throughout the volume of the liquid.
And sublimation.
Sublimation is the process in which solids are directly converted into gaseous state without passing the intermediate liquid state. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space.
How many states of matter are there?
There are three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gases.
What is freezing?
Freezing is a phenomenon in which liquid can be changed into solid state by reducing temperature or applying pressure.
What are Panchatattva?
Panchatattva are air, water, sky, fire and earth.
What is diffusion?
Diffusion is a process by which any substance moves from its higher concentration to its lower concentration.
Minus 100 degrees Celsius in gas phase.
173 Kelvin.
What is matter?
Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter.
What are the characteristics of particles of matter?
They have interparticular forces of attraction. They are continuously moving, that means they possess kinetic energy, and they have interparticular space between them.
What is deposition?
Deposition is the process by which gases are directly converted into solid state without passing the intermediate liquid state.
What is latent heat of vaporization?
Latent heat of the vaporization is the phenomenon in which 1 kg of liquid is directly converted into gaseous state by applying the boiling point.
Difference between gas and vapor.
Gas and vapor. Gases are the particles that are present normally in the surrounding, whereas vapors are the particles which are there in the surrounding when liquid is directly when the liquid is heated.
What are the factors affecting the evaporation?
Surface area, speed of wind, humidity, and appliance of temperature.
A diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does the evaporation show?
It shows that the particles of matter have interparticular spaces between them and they are loosely packed.
The temperature.
That is 273 plus 200 is equal to 473 Kelvin.
Which 5 elements constitutes the Panchatattva?
Air, water, sky, fire and earth.
During summer, water kept in earthen pot becomes cool due to phenomenon of
Evaporation.
if we keep cold drink bottle in a freezer, what will happen?
The cold drink would become cold or even ice because of reducing the temperature or applying the pressure.
The cool drink bottle will eventually break. Ice floats on water because
It is lower. It has lower density than that of liquids.
the physical state of matter depends on dash and dash.
The physical state of matter depends upon this temperature as well as its rigidity.
Temperature and dash. The melting point of ice on Kelvin scale is
273.16 Kelvin.
true or false. At room temperature, kinetic energy of particles in solids is less than that of particles in gaseous state. It is true or false. Name the property of gases due to which it is possible to fill CNG in cylinders.
It is that the particles of gases are not much rigid. They have interparticular spaces between them. So if we compress them into CNG or LPG, they can be liquefied and converted into liquid state.
Write one statement similarity between three states of matter.
They possess, they react to the pressure applied to them, or they can be reduced, or they can be interchanged by applying pressure or reducing the temperature.
Is there any similarity between types of matter?
Yeah, there is a similarity. If we apply temperature or give pressure to the particles of matter, they are able to interchange themselves into the different states of matter.
Boiling is called a phenomenon because it takes place throughout the volume of the liquid.
What is meant by the latent heat of vaporization?
Latent heat of vaporization is defined as the amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of liquid to vapor state.
What is the SI unit of temperature?
Kelvin.
Gases can be converted to liquids by the process of
Condensation.
define evaporation.
Evaporation is a surface phenomenon in which liquid can be converted into vapor at any temperature.
Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk or tea faster from a saucer rather than a cup? Why are we able to sip hot tea faster from a saucer than that of a cup?
Because of less surface area.
Because of more surface area. Naphthalene moles directly converts into gaseous state by the process of
Sublimation.
name 3 physical states of matter.
Yes.
Which state of matter possesses highest density?
Sublimation.
Which state of matter has definite volume but not definite shape?
Liquid.
How can we change the physical state of matter?
We can change the physical state of matter by hiding or lowering the temperature and applying pressure.
Define compressibility.
Compressibility is the property of matter in which we can compress an object.
Show an experiment to illustrate that matter possesses kinetic energy.
Matter possesses kinetic energy can be shown in many examples. For example, when we boil water, we see the particles of matter moving.
Explain the process of deposition.
Deposition is the process by which gases convert to liquid without passing through the liquid state.
Convert 293 Kelvin into Celsius.
It is 20 degrees Celsius.
What is density?
The mass per unit volume of a substance is called density.
Name the 5 basic elements into which matter is classified.
Air, earth, water, sky and fire.
Melting point of ice.
0 degrees Celsius.
What is interparticular force of attraction?
The property that attracts the particles of matter is called the intermolecular force of attraction.
Define boiling.
Boiling is a bulk phenomenon which occurs through the volume of the liquid and does not cause cooling effect, and it is a rapid process.
What is freezing point of a liquid? Through which process we can change your solid state directly into gaseous state?
Sublimation.
How can we change state of matter?
By reducing its temperature and applying pressure.
Convert 10 degrees Celsius into Kelvin scale. Which state of matter has higher interparticular force of attraction? Define deposition.
Deposition is a process in which gases is converted into solid.
What are the 5 basic elements of matter?
Five basic elements of matter are the particles of air, water, sky, earth, and fire.
Name the state of matter that has definite shape as well as volume.
Solid.
Name factors affecting the rate of evaporation.
The factors of the rate of evaporation are temperature, rate of water, and freezing.
Temperature, surface area, and speed of wind and convert 0 degrees Celsius into Kelvin.
270